Guys, today we're working with the new plasma cutter, and we're gonna cut some of this stuff off, and then we're gonna get that motor in there. So today we got the new plasma cutter, and with that we're gonna cut some of this junk off. And then we're going to get the 5.3 in there.
Oh, there's some more room.
Yeah. Now tell me what you did for the first time today. Did you hear Papa?
Keep cranking.
No, that's good. But stay there, don't go anywhere.
Okay.
I need you.
Yep.
Go down a little bit more. Got that motor again? Right down. Keep your fingers right there. Take it down a little bit. I'm going to go up on the back. Here's with motor mounts. We gotta move these up, I think, right? Let's get this away from that steering box, move it up. And that's gonna be a problem. And lift the back end up a little bit. What do you think? Does it look good?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I got these mounts kind of sort of tacked in there. We'll see how it goes, if we like them there. Or nothing. You gotta push it though. Can you push it down? There you go, just hold it. That's good enough. Be careful, that bracket's hot. Okay, jump over to the other side, do the same thing. Good? Alright, should we see if it goes down? You wanna turn it? Okay, stop. And it sits low, doesn't it?
Wow.
And then, underneath this transmission cross member, bolted right into two existing holes. And over here. That's great. Just enough room in the top.
So that's it for today, guys. See you next time. Bye.